Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 11, 12 and 13 of the worksheet on chapter 6 for the intermediate algebra class. 11. Solve for v where v is a real number. Square root of v plus 6 minus 4 equal to 4. So in any solving radical equation problem, first we have to isolate the radical. So square root of v plus 6 equal to, moving the negative 4 to the other side, it becomes 4 plus 4. So it is square root of v plus 6 equal to 8. Now you have to square both sides, meaning you have to square v plus 6, square root of v plus 6 on the left hand side and 8 on the right hand side. The square and square root, they cancel out and you get v plus 6 on this side, left hand side. 8 square, that will be a 64. So move the 6 to the other side, that will become negative 6. So v equal to 64 minus 6, or v equal to 58. So if you plug in v equal to 58 into the original equation, you get square root of 58 plus 6, which will be square root of 64, which will be 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So the equation is satisfied when you plug in v equal to 58. So our solution is okay solution. Problem number 12. Solve for w where w is a real number. Square root of 6w plus 11 minus square root of 9w plus 2 equal to 0. We have two radicals in this problem. They are connected by minus. So move one of the radicals to the other side. So minus will become plus on the other side. That is square root of 9w plus w on 9w plus 2 on the right hand side. Now you have radical on the left hand side, radical on the right hand side. To eliminate the radical, you square both sides. So we have square and square root, they cancel out, you get 6w plus 11 on the left hand side. Square root and square, they get cancelled out on the right hand side as well, giving you 9w plus 2. Now you have 9w plus 2 equal to 6w plus 11. You can switch the left hand side and the right hand side. So now if you subtract 6w on both sides and subtract 2 on both sides, you get 3w is to cancel out. That will be a 9. 11 minus 2, which is a 9. So that will give us the value of w. So divide both sides by 3. So w equal to 3. Same way, if you substitute the 3 into the original equation w here, that is 6 times 3, 18, 18 plus 11, the square root of 29. Same way here it will be square root of 9 times 3, which is 27 plus 2, square root of 29. So square root of 29 minus square root of 29 equal to 0. So the equation is satisfied with w equal to 3. Next, number 13. Solve for w where w is a real number. Square root of 9w minus 18 equal to w. To get rid of the square root, we have to square both sides. So we get square root of 9w minus 18 square equal to w square. The square and square root, they get cancelled out. So you get 9w minus 18 equal to w square. Now you move all the values to one side, and then make one of the sides to 0. So if you move 9w and minus 18 to the other side, they will change the sign. So it is minus 9w plus 18 equal to 0. Now you want to factor this. W minus 6 times W minus 3 equal to 0. Because you have minus 6W minus 3W, that will be minus 9W. If you multiply negative 6 and negative 3, it gives 18. So here w minus 6 equal to 0 and w minus 3 equal to 0. This gives w equal to 6 and w equal to 3. Now we have to check whether both values are okay or not. Right now, there are two values that the equation solved to. But now we have to check whether the two values of w are satisfying the original equation or not. Always in these problems, it's better to check our values by plugging into the original equation. Let's try w equal to 6 into the original. So it is 9 times 6 minus 18 with a square root equal to 6. Is it okay or not? Is it true? So it will be a square root of 54 minus 18. Is it equal to 6? So square root of 54 minus 18, that will be equal to square root of 36 equal to 6. Is it true? Yes. So w equal to 6 is one of the solutions. Same way, let's try w equal to 3, the second value of w that we got. So plug it into the original equations. So 9 times 3 minus 18, is it equal to 3? Square root of 27 minus 18, is it equal to 3? That is square root of 9, is it equal to 3? It is an yes. Therefore, w equal to 3 is also a solution. So the solutions to this problem are two of them, w equal to 6 and w equal to 3. Both of them check the original equation of the radical, so they are solutions to the problem. Hope this video helps.